Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Flam Liao Liao, chapter 110. So here it is. Let's read the story. Our company has always respected originality. Because of the incidents, right now, there's someone's gonna investigate. She has to be a girlfriend with connections to use her official title to stand on the side. Over 40. Right now, this man. Didn't our competitor encounter this before? The production team cut with the companies on the same day and put all the blame on the styling team. Designer disappeared, and I heard that he has changed your career. Therefore, everything is stained, and the management have no return. Oh, this man, he was really targeting Song. If someone throws mud on me, should I not even have qualifications to prove myself because others don't repute it? Song said to all of them, the time we work together is not too short. Song said to everyone. Well, it seems that he'd been shocked that suddenly Song appeared. Looking at this man, he looks really mischievous. Now, I didn't mean that. Don't have the door in my mouth. Don't need to tell Miss Pei. Oh, after that Song, she returned back. Leaves them alone. Well, probably this man. He was really tricky. And somewhat, monster bench on Song. Silly, isn't she taking annual leave? Why did she come to the company? Well, maybe looking for evidence for self-evidence. Oh, come on. You people will always have time to talk to you. If I were Song, I wouldn't have resigned at this time. Everyone seems to be not noticing that Peiyu came back. Miss Pei, why don't you help and talk? Dash's mouth is usually annoying. If you go with it, it's strange that he doesn't scare anymore. This matter involves the professional ethics. At this time, it is because for me not to interfere. Oh, Peiyu, well, she was right. After all, the truth is not interesting in the kind of workplace. Well, definitely she was right. We need someone to take care of it right now. So what else can we do? We'll consult it with a lawyer. Peiyu said to them. So it turns out everything will go on the legal matters. Then, wait for someone to show their feet. Well, definitely Peiyu. She will really protect that song. Back to Liu Vaonao's company. Since their trip were already cancelled, not interrupted because of that news, everyone came back early, and all employees seems to be getting out of control. On Liu Vaonao's sites, everyone is busy to hold the news, so brotherly, it's still unlucky to say that you're unlucky. In the middle of kicking off the project, such a mess came out. What? Who said no? Well, I'm going to work first. Everyone seems to be busy, and everyone seems to be tired. They need to control the news so it won't spread too quickly. Back to Liu Vaonao's office. Since she already came back, the workers doesn't know. Turns out this man goes to the room. Lu Cheng is right, it doesn't matter at all if Song is copied or not. So this man, the one who plans this, well, he was really tricky. What matters is reputations of the company and my ability to work. Project information. Sorry, you do not have permissions to operate this. Lu Cheng made it clear that he was going to cheat you. Why did he still want to call him? Right now, he really got surprises that Liu Baonao suddenly appeared in front of him. Talking about, Liu Baonao suddenly asked the man. The man seems to be surprised. Miss Liu, why are you here? The man asking Liu Baonao, of course. He was really surprised. Are you trying to talk to me about this incident? He seems to be cautious. We need to talk. Do you first click on the video of the cloud disk? The man seems to be surprised. Now, he really wants to click the file. Oh, it turns out, including when he was talking to Lu Cheng, took over the project and I thought that was the company you brought me into and you helped me a lot. Turns out this man is a spy of Lu Cheng. As a result, you're faking and you send me as a bait. Can he still stay in the company? Oh, he was really in trouble right now. Everything will be solved quickly. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or You can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.